Hi, you guys. Sue, how do we feel about this layout? Do you like it? Or do you think this one is better? Oh, you don't know who Juso is? You don't like Tokyo Ghoul? Okay, that's fine. How about this one? No. You don't like Bungo Stray Dogs either? That's fine. This one? This one has to be the one you like, right? Seriously? Okay, I have Danganronpa. This has to be the one, right? Not your cup of tea? Okay, what do you want, Gaudium? Dandy's World? Toddcat? Killer Chat? Married in Red? Allen's? You know what I give up? Lear out.